Hey, what's up, boys? 10 King Nazar, if you know me as here, and today we're back in the Sam Village headquarters. I don't know why I have these headphones on. Matter of fact, let me drip up real. Alright, so we're back, big dripped up. Hopefully in focus. Boom, there's my autofocus kicking in. And today I got a big unboxing for you boys. You guys love whenever I unbox things. So I got 2 anime related packages for you boys coming up today. Also, I'm gonna just take a brief second to give a shout out to Hypland for making dope ass clothes. So if you like anime clothes, again, I'm never sponsored. I'm way too far below of a YouTuber. But you know, big shout out to Hypland. Their stuff is always fire. Make sure you guys check out Hypland if you really want some anime clothes. It's a bit on the expensive side, but you're getting high quality products, so make sure you're checking them out. Also, special shout out to anyone over on from the Twitch channel. We love you boys. I'm getting a lot of love and appreciation for the Twitch streams over there. So thank you to everyone for that one. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into it. So I got 2 packages today. I didn't get to take a thumbnail, so I'll probably take a thumbnail later. I don't want to ruin my mic angle, so you know I'll get a thumbnail. So we're gonna start off with the small package because I know which ones is which, but just to let you guys know, I'm gonna cover my address right here so you guys can see where this is from. So as you guys can see there, that is a good old Hypland address right there, as well as a Hypland logo. So we do have some Hypland stuff coming on for you boys today, so we're just gonna open it. Let's get into it. I got my fancy schmancy karambit here for the big package. This one's one of the ones you can just kind of tear. As you can see, I've already tore it on accident, so let's get right into it. Oh yeah, so we'll pull out the small things first. So with it, I get a pretty dope ass Hypland sticker. Show that off real quick. It's reflective. That's cool as shit. And I'm pretty sure this is a sticker. I'm willing to bet 100 it's a sticker. I also get a small receipt just showing what I have, my address and stuff, and it's got some writing on it. I guess that's whoever checked it off in processing or whatever before shipping. See if there's anything else other than the big thing. All right. So now we just have the big item. So I'm gonna let you guys get a peek in there. If you've watched any of Hypland's things and you know about the Hypland drop, no way you don't know what's in this bag right now. If you know me personally, you know I love Naruto. So the first thing we got here is a Naruto Hypland collab exclusive drop. I don't know how I got this. A lot of the Naruto stuff on Hypland goes out pretty fast, but we're gonna be pretty gassed to wear this. So let's pull it out. Oh yeah, that's dope. Oh, that's sexy as fuck. Alright, so just to show you guys before I unfold it or anything, right there got that Naruto Hypland in a large. That's what I wear, obviously. Got the little, I don't know, I guess it's a Hypland like worldwide. It's got a flag thing on it. And if you're wondering, oh my god, no way, dude. They threw in, as a bonus with my thing, a Gara sticker. Focus on that, please. It's a holographic Gara sticker. There's no way they knew that, right? There's no way they knew that this was my favorite character. Because I'm almost positive this was random. And I got a holographic Gara with mine. If you got one of the Hypland Naruto drops, let me know if yours comes with one of these. That's dope, bro. Because that's my favorite character. So that's definitely getting put on something. I'm pretty gassed about that. What we have here is the Hypland X Naruto and Sasuke fight scenes button up. So I'll put a screenshot of the website listing here while I talk about it over here for a little bit. So like I said, this is a button up shirt that has every single one of the fights that Naruto and Sasuke have had all over it. Now obviously we're gonna try it on. I'm gonna let you guys know how everything feels. I'm gonna let you guys see it on me, of course. Let you know I got a large because I wear a large in normal t-shirts, so I'll tell you how it fits, stuff like that. But for right now, I'm just showing it off, and now we're gonna get into the next package, and after that, we'll try on and do some further investigating. All right, so the big boy here is actually real special. This is also a Hypland exclusive package here, except this was a resale because this sold out within a minute. Now, if you like Hypland or you've heard of any of Hypland stuff, you automatically know what it is exactly I'm talking about when I say it sold out that fast. I'm gonna give you guys a hint. It's a HunterxHunter project. All right, a HunterxHunter collab in this bag. I had to go out, pay out the ass for this. Shout out to the guy on eBay. I kind of was able to talk him down a bit. He wanted over $300 for this, but we talked it down. And you know, I think I got a decent price considering at first it was about $200 to begin with. But that's enough talking about prices. Let's get in here. So I'm gonna flip it where you can't see address again, obviously. Got the big boy Rambit. We're gonna come up here to the top. There's like some tape on this side here. Then get that tape cut off. Boom, tape gone. How else did he do this? Down here? Okay, I can peel the rest of that. I think. I can barely peel it, but I got it. Oh my God, I'm fucking happy. Okay, do the same thing, right? We're gonna fill in here. See if he added like the Hypland receipts or anything. Doesn't feel like it. I'm gonna let you guys peek in there. You're gonna know the second you peek in here what it is I bought. So if you follow me over on TikTok or Twitter or Snapchat or basically anywhere, I told you guys that I was looking for a specific jacket, the HunterxHunter Hypland jacket, and to hit me up if you found one. And I managed to find one. And guys, here we have the HunterxHunter Hypland bubble vest jacket, bro. This thing is fucking sexy looking. All right, so off rip, we've got the same Hypland large sticker there. We've got a Hypland logo imprint on it there. See if it'll focus. Hypland imprint on it right there. I'm not seeing the collar because it's underneath the fold there. Oh, there it is. See if I can't get it out there for you. HunterxHunter Hypland right there with a large. And this jacket has a bunch of the different characters in different square panels all the way around. Again, Nazari put the listing up here while we talk about it a little bit. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. I knew when I seen this, I wanted it. I saw it on famous creators such as, I can't really off the top of my head think of their names, but a lot of the popular like anime creators in the community, they all had this jacket and I knew I had to have it. I'm a bit sad. The one thing I wanted to not happen happened. So, yeah, that's great. Let's see if I can't get this perfect camera angle back because my camera angle was godly. I think we're back. We're back in a decent angle. So, yeah, if you heard me, my camera just died. I'm sorry about that. There's nothing I can do about that. You know, cameras die. But that is our 2 drops for today. I'm going to take some screenshots a little bit, not screenshots, some thumbnails a little bit later. So let's get into the try-on test. So I'm going to try on the Naruto Uzumaki versus Sasuke Uchiha fight button up first. All right, boys. So here we have the Naruto Uzumaki versus Sasuke Uchiha button up. It's a bit much, but I won't lie. It's fashionable as fuck, drippy as hell. I'm loving it still. You know, I love it to death. This is pretty dope. So I'll let you guys get a good look real quick. No talking. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's pretty dope, pretty simple. I'm gonna go ahead and be honest. It feels amazing, dude. Like when I tell you it feels great, it feels fucking awesome. It's like it's a silk. It's kind of like the old silk Dragon Ball Z shirts. These, it feels good. You know what I mean on the body. They kind of did like a deep V here. You can see. Hold on. You know, by not giving you that top button, it gives it kind of its own little swag to it. You know what I mean? It feels good. It looks good. I'm loving this. As a Naruto lover, would I personally recommend you buy this? Of course. I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10 for quality, for creativity. Because like I said, it's got every single Naruto versus Sasuke fight scene on it. Literally every single one. that they could fit, or it might be all of them. Period. I don't know, but everyone that they could get on here, they have on here. This is beautiful. This to me, as an anime lover and a huge fan of Naruto, this is amazing. This ran me about $106 total, I think. I'm not gonna give you guys exacts, but around there. I wear a large. I'm 6 flat, 5'11" really, but about 6 flat. I weigh 185. I wear a large in normal tees. So if you wanted something similar to this, you would get your true to size probably. So yeah, let me guys know on a scale of 1 to 10. We're gonna make one comment this time, so just write it and then come back up to the vid. Don't send it yet. 1 to 10. What do you guys think of the Naruto versus Sasuke fight button-up T-shirt? All right, so next up, obviously we have the bubble vest, and it fits my yellow and pink thing that I like to go with sometimes. So we're just gonna keep this on and put it under, so you guys get to see me open this one. Came open pretty easy, honestly. Again, big thank you to the guy that I kind of had to talk down to get this, but you know, he said he needed the money, which, you know, I'm sorry, hard times are happening. If you or a loved one you know is going through something with this whole, you know what, I'm sorry, you know, like, God bless you. I'll pray for you, but I really don't know. Just hold on, man, hold on. Yo, this thing is clean in a mug. Oh, this is fire. Got that Hypland HunterxHunter feel. Oh, let's go for it. Oh, yes, sir. First of all, off rip. Same kind of material, right? Same kind of material. If you've never worn a puff jacket before, it's literally a puff jacket. So it feels really warm. It's comfortable. You know what I mean? And it's a bit stylish. It's a bit stylish. I'm not going to lie. You know what I mean? Rate the drip. I do this every video now because I'm lame. Rate my drip in the comment section in that same comment. And then you're also going to rate how you feel about this jacket after we get through the analysis again. So I'm going to give you guys a quick look at it without talking. So what are you guys thinking? I mean, what is your thoughts on it? But me personally, let's get into this analysis. Now, the material, again, it's nice and soft. It's got this really, listen, you can hear it. My mic probably can pick that up, but it's got a really nice, soft texture to it. You know what I mean? I could see myself wearing this when the winter comes up. That's why I bought it, really, for when it gets a little bit colder. It's been hot as hell. I'm not going to wear it right now and sweat my dick off. But regardless, it's a sexy ass jacket, bro. It's dope as shit. I'm a huge fan of HunterxHunter. Killua is my favorite. Obviously, Killua is everyone's favorite. Also, I'm a big Hisoka fan. I've got a Killua and Hisoka pop pre-ordered that I will be unboxing on this channel a little bit later in the year when they drop in October. So if you like pops and you like HunterxHunter, be on the lookout for that. Materials, fire. It feels great. You know what I mean? It might irritate someone, but not me. It's got these straps on the sleeves here, so you can adjust it. You know, it's a bit big on me, so I'll probably adjust these a little bit later, but not right now. You know, nice fit. If I go for the zipper is pretty cool. It's got the Hypland logo as the zipper there. It comes up. You know what I mean? It's got your 2 pockets. Boom. I'll get my thumbnail later. But, you know, all in all, dope jacket. I really love it. Would I flex it in public? Of course. Be like, hey, yo, check out my expensive. This is like $200 Hypland HunterxHunter jacket. They don't know it was $200, so I'm not going to tell them because they'll laugh at me for spending that much money on anime clothes. Anyways, yeah, so I'm going to have to give this one a solid 12 out of 10. I'm going to give it more than a 10 out of 10. I fuck with the Naruto shirt heavy just because I'm a Naruto fan, but if we're being out of fairness, this is definitely better quality than the Naruto shirt. The Naruto shirt is comfortable, it's executed well, it's creative, but this embodies what you think when you think of a anime puff jacket. Like, it has all of the warmth and comfortability of a normal puff jacket, or a higher class puff jacket at that, because you're paying a good fee for a decent quality puff jacket. So when you come into these things, like, number one, is it a good puff jacket? It's a good puff jacket by itself, you know. It's a high quality, like, there's extra puffing in the pockets, you know, like, it's a high quality puff jacket. I've had way worse puff jackets in my life. It's a good jacket. But then when you come to, again, like, the creativity, the execution of the ideas, this is beautiful. This is amazing. Like, I love this. I love the idea. I love how they went about it. I love it. I just love it. I love it. This is amazing. This is great. So I'm gonna have to give this a little bit better than Naruto, simply because Naruto's shirt is, while it is comfortable and it is creative and it was executed well, it still kind of feels like I said, those Dragon Ball silk shirts that everyone used to have. Like, it doesn't feel like an expensive t-shirt, and I had to pay a little bit more than what I would have liked for that t-shirt. If it was up to me, I would have more or less picked about like 60 or 70 rather than like $90 for it. But that's besides the point. So let me guys know in that comment section, again, how you feel about the Naruto shirt 1 to 10 and the HunterxHunter shirt 1 to 10. And of course, you gotta rate the drip, because I'm low-key cute, bro. Like, I'm low-key cute. So anyways, guys, I need to get the fuck on up out of here. My battery died. I had to change batteries, change camera angles 3 times, and I gotta make some motherfucking thumbnails, baby. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm supposed to be up at 9 so my girlfriend can go shopping for her school stuff. I'm over here flexing the $300 HunterxHunter Hypland jacket. Can I speak? Can you fucking speak? Anyways, boys, without further ado, I really don't know what to tell you, but if you didn't know, now you know. Jigaboo, jiggas out, jiggas wall, jiggas wow. Yeah, that's not my outro. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching today's unboxing video. I'm gonna go enjoy my new jacket and try to get some sleep before my girlfriend kills me in the morning. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe to join that Sand Squad today. We're almost at that 1K. Actually, after this video, we should be at that 1K. So if you're watching this video right now, welcome to the 1K gang, baby. Sand Squad, it has been on the rise for a couple of months. I'm lying. We've been on the rise for about 4 years now, maybe 5, honestly. And at first, this channel was just something for me to do. And now I've got like a good group of y'all that I actually consider my friends and my family. So, you know, if you want to join our family, our friendship, then feel free to hit that subscribe button. It's not fans, it's not subs, you're my friends. And at the end of the day, we like the same shit. You know, you like anime stuff, I like anime stuff. You like video games, I like video games. You watch YouTube videos, I make YouTube videos. Watch my YouTube videos. Anyways, leave a like, comment, subscribe, join that Sand Squad today. And I'm going to see y'all when I see y'all, man. Bye. You thought I was gonna actually walk out? Did you really think I was gonna walk out? Was that something you thought I was gonna do, bro? I live here. You walk out.